In this Midjourney tutorial, I am going to share amazing prompt tips to generate high-quality images. Here, you need to upload 2 images. One is going to be your own picture and second will be for reference. Once done, right-click on the real image of yours, and then select the Copy Image Address option. In the message box, type /imagine. Paste the copied link here. Now copy the image address for the second image, which is also the reference image. Paste the image address of the reference photo after adding a space. Then add keywords like ultra-realistics, photo style like Dune. At the end, make sure to add --v space 4. It is used for the version 4 of Midjourney. Within a few seconds, Midjourney will provide you with 4 different variations. You can upscale the version you like to get a higher resolution picture. Upscaling will also take a few seconds. As you can see how good the output is. The image resolution is also high. You can do the same with your image as well. Again, copy the image address. Use the Imagine tag and paste the image address. You can use keywords in prompts like anime, and then add --v space 4 for the version 4. Within a few seconds, 4 variations of anime-style photos will be generated. You can upscale any of them to get a higher resolution photo. Upscaling will be done in a few seconds, and you will be able to download this high-quality image for yourself. As you can see, I have added Midjourney to my own Discord server so the images don't get public. Click on the plus icon to add a server. Select the Create My Own option. You can skip this question without any worries. Then give a name to the server, and you can also upload the profile picture. A new server is now created. Next, we need to add Midjourney AI bot to this server. For this, go to the Midjourney. Then click on the team members icon on the top right. Scroll down, here you will find the Midjourney bot, click on it and then click on the Add to Server option. Choose the server. And then continue. You need to authorize the following permissions. Once done, the Midjourney bot will be added to your private Discord server. Here, you can upload any images and they will not get public. As you can see, the Imagine prompt is perfectly working. Open the Midjourney website. Select the Join the Beta option. Here, you will see a Discord invite. Click on the Accept Invite button. Within a few seconds, the Midjourney channel will be added to your Discord. On the left, open one of the newbies rooms. Here, you can type your prompt just like everyone is doing here. You can also see how other users are using the prompt to generate their images from text. Enter / and then type Imagine. After that, start entering your prompt. Within a few seconds, your image will start generating. If you don't have any idea how to write a prompt or which keywords to add to get the desired results, then don't worry. I am going to share a hack with you. But before, let's have a look at the image that is generated by the Midjourney. You can upscale the image to get a higher resolution picture or ask for another version of the same picture. There is a website called prompthero.com. Here, you can find a bunch of art generated by Midjourney, and along with it you can see what prompt is used for generating that particular style of art. From here, you can take inspiration and reference to generate your own AI image. We have left the link to this website in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.